Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Rick's Cafe has undergone a major expansion with the hope of bringing more business to the popular entertainment hub in Negril, Westmoreland. Details of the investments were outlined on the weekend.
Like the fireworks going off in the night sky, the operators of Rick's expect an explosion of additional visitors to the attraction to enjoy a new offering dubbed the Red Stripe Experience. Over 390,000 persons visited Rick's last year. That is more than 1,000 per day on average. The expanded space can accommodate an additional 300 visitors. And the management of Rick's says the additional space will therefore help to diversify their offerings to large groups of tourists.
We've been getting a lot of people and we're having a hard time just to find a private space to accommodate Jamaicans and tourists alike. So the Red Stripe Experience provides that for us now. So we're now able to provide a private space that can cater to a large group of people, and we're very excited about that.
The official launch was attended by Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett. He set the operators an ambitious target for 2025.
Already we hear 394,000 come as here. This attraction will add 60,000 and earn $1.5 million over the period. Now that's good. And if it can do 60, we are projecting that it can get to 100. So we can have 500,000 visitors coming to this facility overall.
The investment is expected to create an additional 140 jobs. The tourism minister also welcomed news that the two companies will be expanding their foundation work to help more families in Negril. Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.
Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $156.99. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $109.69. $192.32 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $165.02. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 686 points today, while the junior market index declined by 55 points. The 41 shares which advanced include T-Tech, MPC Carbon Clean Energy US dollar shares, Elite Diagnostic, Key Insurance, and Carib Cement. 52 stocks declined and were led by Blue Power Group, Everything Fresh, Carbon Cream, JFP, and Indus Pharma. 19 shares traded at the same price they started trading today. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.